for $399 or the E350 for just $549 a month. Only at Mercedes-Benz of Houston Greenway on 3900 Southwest Freeway. Get the best for less than you'd expect. Like a new Mercedes-Benz C300 $399 a month or Mercedes-Benz E350 $549 a month. Visit MercedesBenzGreenway.com. C300 36-month lease, $45.53 due. E350 27-month lease, $50.43 due. With approved credit, see stores for details. Offer ends end of month. Or 1-800-FOR-Mercedes for details.
Hi, this is Pat Benatar.
And Leo Geraldo. Hi, this is Jimmy Buffett. Hi, this is Joe Elliott. Jeff Weather.
Live on Houston's only classic rock station, The Eagle.
Did you see that wreck on the other side of 99 there, right when you got off?
No.
Coming the other direction, it looked like coming up the access road. This car just launched up into the air, did like a 360 and landed.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it looked ugly. I looked over, man. All I saw was a bunch of dirt, and then this car comes flying through the fucking air doing flips or whatever, twists.
Damn, dude, it was on the other side?
Yeah, it was on the other side, not on 99, but on the access road, like coming up onto 99.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I thought it looked like you got off right before it happened, so you probably were blocked by the road. Yeah,
that sucks a little bit with that.
I might have to look at my video when I get home and see if I got it on there. With my dash
You have a camera on it?
I got a dash cam.
You gotta run it all the time, or?
Yeah, it runs whenever the car, well, basically it's hot wired in, so unless I turn it off, it runs.
Yeah, dude, got to check that out for sure.
Yeah, it was pretty wicked. I'll see if I caught it on there, then I'll post it up on the forum or something.
Yeah, for real.
Alright, well, it was a good time, man. Glad we made it out.
Yeah, you too. Congrats on your trophy, dude.
Cheers. Put it up on the shelf.
There you go.
Alright, man. I'll talk to you later.
Enjoy the rest of your weekend, my friend.
Alright, you too. Bye.
See you. Bye.